Here at Bip Bip Cars, every vehicle has a journey. I'd like to show you behind the scenes how we source, prepare and price every vehicle that we sell. We handpick every car we sell, which means our ex-mechanic stock buyers fully inspect each vehicle in person before finalizing the purchase. Of course, before anything else, we carry out essential checks. Every car must be HPI clear, with no history of write-off, outstanding finance, mileage discrepancies, theft or import flags. We then review the service history, age, mileage and number of owners, along with the MOT record. Once the car is purchased, it goes straight for a mechanical health check. This ensures the vehicle is completely safe and ready for next stage of preparation. Regardless of car's price or age, every vehicle we sell goes through a professional detailing process with the best products in the market. Our detailers spend up to 2 days on this process. Now the car is ready for the market. When it comes to pricing it, many factors come into play. We monitor the market daily and update our prices to make sure our customers are paying the right price at the time of the purchase. From the first check to the final handover, we do the hard work so you can buy with confidence. We're proud of every car we sell, and customer satisfaction is at the heart of our business.